Scars are often seen as reminders of pain. The scars shows us where we have been wounded, where life has touched us in difficult ways. For a long time, I looked at my scars as something to hide. My scars reminded me of struggles I wish had never happened. But as time passed, my perspective began to change. I started to realize that scars tells a story. Scars are not only marks of pain, they are also proof of healing. Every scar carries a message that says, "You survived." The battle may have been difficult, the night may have been long, but the fact that the scars exist means something important. It means the wounds did not win. Slowly, I began to understand the very thing I once saw as weakness were actually shaping my strength. My scars were teaching me compassion for others. They were helping me understand the silent struggles that people carry. And most importantly, they were reminding me that even broken pieces can become places of wisdom. Today, I no longer see my scars as something to hide. They are part of my story. And within them lives a strength I did not know exists. Yes.